Good morning class, I am Lakshman Singh here with you. Use of trigonometric tables. Let us see how do we use the trigonometric tables. Here we are given natural signs, values of sine. You see, this is sine table. We know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. And that 1 degree is divided into 10 equal parts of 6 minutes. You can see that here given, these are given degrees, 0, 1 degree, 2 degree, and 1 degree is divided into 10 parts, 6 minute, 12 minute, 18 minute, 24, 30. Furthermore, we can see 36, 42, 48, 54, and then finally we reach again to 2 minutes, 2 degree. Now you see here given differences for the minutes, 1 minute difference, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute difference. In sine, when we are finding the value of sine, we add these differences. Now let us see the procedure. How do we find the values of any given trigonometric ratio? Let's see. So first of all, we will see the value of sine 25 degree 12 minutes. So we can see that these are the minutes. Just scroll this. Let us reach to 25 degree. We have reached. Now 12 minutes. How we will get 12 minutes? We can see that this is 25 degree 0 minute, 25 degree 6 minute, and this is 25 degree 12 minute. You can see that how much it is. Point, here all are starting with the 0 point something. So here it will also start 0.4258. Let us see that this is 12 minute. So 25 degree, from here we will see, from this side we will see 25 degree, and from here we will see 12 minute. So where that intersects, you can see 25 degree, and then this is of 12 minutes. So 0.4258. So we will write the value of sine 25 degree 12 minute equal to 0.4258. Now after 12 minute, we are left for 3 minutes. Now difference for 3 minutes. So we come to the difference part here at the end. 3 minutes difference. Here this is a 3 minute third line. We can see just in front of 25 which one is the third line. You can see that this is the third line. You can see that third line here written 8. Difference for 3 minutes is 8. Now this difference will be added. How we will add? Let us see. First of all, we have taken sine 25 degree 12 minute, that is 0.4258 as we saw from the table. Then difference for 3 minute we have taken, that was 8. 8 means 0.0008, that we will change in 4 place decimal value. Decimal value is up to 4 places. So 0.0008. Now we will add. In sign we will add. So on adding we get 0.4266. That is the value of sine 25 degree 15 minutes. Let us take another ratio, that is cos. We have cos 17 degree 26 minutes. Then cos 17 degree 26 minutes. 26 minutes. We divide it into parts of 6. 6 4 ja 24. We reach just below this, that is 24 minutes. So we get the value of cos 17 degree 24 minute from the table, that is 0.9542. Then we will see the difference for 2 minutes, that is it will be given there only 2, so we will write in 4 decimal places, that will be 0.0002. And in cos, when we are finding the value of cos, we will subtract this difference. In sine we added the difference, here we will subtract the difference. So let's see the table. So this is our cos table. As you can see here written cos x degree. So we have to find the value of 17 degree. So let us come to the first column. Here we get this 17 degree and 24 minutes. This is 6 minute, 12 minute, 18, and this is 24 minutes. That is 0.9542. It will be taken as 0.9542. And only 2 minutes are left. So we will see the difference for 2 minutes. Come to the difference column in this row only. Come to the difference column. Here we have reached to the difference column. We can see that this is for 1 minute, this is for 2 minutes. So difference for 2 minutes is 2. Difference for 2 minutes is 2. That is 0.0002. So we will take that value, and then this difference has to be subtracted from that value, as it is written here. We can see that subtract this difference. So we will subtract this value from previous value. So you can see here we have taken cos 17 degree 24 minute 0.9542, difference for 2 minutes, that is 0.0002, subtracted. Here we are subtracting, so we get 0.9540. So cos 17 degree 26 minutes is equal to 0.9540. Let us find another ratio, that is 10 20 degree 20 minutes. So you can see that here this 20 degree we will get easily. This 20 minutes, this will be divided into parts of 6. 6 3s are 18. So we get 20 degree 18 minutes. So we get from table 20 degree 18 minutes, value of 20 degree 18 minutes 0.3699. Then we will see for difference for 2 minutes. Here 2 minutes are less. So we will see difference for 2 minutes, that is given 7. So we write here 0.0007. In 10 also we add the difference. In sine we add the difference. In cos we subtract the difference. And in 10 we again add the difference. So again this is added here. So we get here 10 20 degree 20 minutes equal to 0.3706. Again you can see here this tangent table. We have 20 degree 18 minutes, 20 degree 18 minutes. This is 6 minute, 12 minute, this is 18 minute. 0.3699. Then difference for 2 minutes in the same row. Come on, reach to the 2 minutes. This is the row, same row. Here we are getting this difference for 2 minutes is 7. You can see that difference for 2 minutes is 7. So this 0.007 is added as you saw previously.